Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you to how to enable Facebook Reels monetization. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Then simply come to the menu page of the Facebook. Then scroll down and click on the pages option available there. Then click on the create on the top left corner. Then again go with get started option. Here write a name you want for your page. Here I have written Sneha. You can write any name as your preference. Then in another page choose any category that fits with your pages. Here I randomly picked some of them. Then in another page click on the second option create content and connect with fans option and continue with it. You should not click on the first option because it's about the business and promotion. Click on the second option and continue with it. Here you can upload your profile pictures or cover photo. I'm just skipping it for now. Then click on next icon and then tap on done. And congratulations, you have successfully created a page for monetize your video and earn money from your creative content. Facebook has introduced monetization features for Reels, allowing eligible creators to generate revenue through their short video content, and here you have it. And that is it. By following these steps, you can easily enable Facebook Reels monetization and set up your account to start earning money from your creative content. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you for watching.